Hey guys, so I want to hit a couple more examples just so that way you guys have plenty to be able to look off of before you start to practice. And here's the deal. This is my bird. This bird is older than I think all of you because this bird's birthday is 1998 and now I just feel bad and old for myself. This is called Mrs. Grutt is bored, and so she has to start using animals in the videos to entertain herself. Roll your eyes all you want. I don't really care. The bird's hopefully going to stay, at least for this video. Who knows, we'll show up next video. I think we're on example 3, so let's keep going in our notebooks, okay? We're still talking two-step equations. So there's another example that we haven't seen yet. And what I need you guys right now is x plus 5 all divided by 3 is equal to 3. My bet is that some of you are probably freaking out. Giant fraction. I hate fractions, Mrs. Grutt. What are you doing to me? Guys, take a breath. Okay, calm down. My question is, and you do not have to write this part down. So last example, our equation looked like this. Now, what's the difference between this equation and this equation? We have a small fraction here with just one number, and here we have a giant fraction. We are going to solve these differently. So for the giant fraction, let's get rid of it. Okay, let's get rid of it. So since we're dividing by 3, let me stay organized. Okay, since we're dividing by 3, let's get rid of the fraction first. Okay, because the entire fraction is with the x. Versus here, the -4, it's not with the x. That's why we could move this over first. Here, the plus 5 is still a part of the fraction, so I'm going to get rid of the fraction first. Okay, so x plus 5 is equal to 9. That part I do want written down. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a note of giant fraction. Okay, so why don't you go ahead and make this note for me? Giant fraction. I don't know why I'm writing in all caps. The bird made me do it. Blame the bird. Equals multiply first. Okay, giant fraction, multiply first to get rid of that fraction. Small fraction, move your constants over first. There is a difference. Make sure you guys are careful of the difference. Let's go back to finish solving for x up here. So let's go ahead, since it's plus 5, I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. And I end up with x being equal to 4. Okay. And so I think what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go to another page because I'm going to give you guys 3 examples for you to be able to try. And then we'll pause the video. Once you have tried all 3 problems, play the video again and see how we did on those 3. So if all of this is written down, even down here, okay, giant fraction, multiply first, get rid of it, then keep playing the video. I'm going to go to another page. And so in your notebooks, 4 is going to be -7x plus 9 is equal to 30. Example 5 that I want you guys to try is x over 5 minus 3 is equal to 9. And the last example that I want you guys to try today is -12 minus x is equal to -18. Use your notes from today. Try these 3 examples. Pause the video when you have tried all 3 examples. Play the video again, and we'll see how we did. All right, check and see how you guys did. So on 4, we should be ending up with -3. 5, guys, this is not a giant fraction. So hopefully we moved that constant over first because it's not with the x like the last problem was. Okay, and then do my multiplication, we end up with x is equal to 60. And then on 6, don't erase anything yet. Okay, on 6, I switched up the order to make sure that we're moving the 12 over first because we want to get x by itself. And then actually, I'm not done yet. So hopefully your paper doesn't look like this. We've talked about we can't have a negative x, right? Let's put that imaginary 1 and divide both sides by -1 to end up with a final answer of x is equal to 6. Hopefully that's what you guys had on your paper, and I didn't trick anybody by leaving it as negative x is equal to -6. Okay, it's got to be a positive x every single time. All right, you've seen lots of examples. This is what we're going to practice today. And the bird, whose name is Casey, says, good luck, you guys got this. And I was working really hard to try to get this balanced because I figured maybe everybody needs a laugh and you guys can just think I'm ridiculous. All right, good luck. Let us know if you have any questions. Use your notes. Nice try, Casey. So close.